Hello friends, it's Pinky time. Get along with me, let's draw Jake, a magical dog who can stretch and change shape. Time to add some color. Thanks for watching.